Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Pisces for your general energies, career situation and relationship Pisces. We are picking few cards guys. So these are for your general energies, for your relationship and career situation guys Pisces. I'll be picking more cards from another deck. So we are picking 3 cards from this deck guys for your relationship and then for your career situation. I hope this reading resonates guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions Pisces. So let's start the reading with your general energies first Pisces. So we have Sun, the Moon and Queen of Wands in reverse. So with these cards in your situation guys, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. Maybe you have some anxieties or worries in your career or in your personal life. You are dreaming about something and you are thinking about your dreams and future, maybe fantasies. You are chasing your fantasies maybe, or you want to live your dream or be that person of your dreams. Maybe you have certain ideas about yourself or about your life, how things should be, and you're trying to compel those ideas into reality. And maybe for some of you it may not work out. It may simply be like some kind of illusion in your situation guys. Trying to live those dreams, it may not work well. And maybe for some of you in your personal life, in this relationship, or it may be in your career, there are people quite jealous of you and they are trying to deceive you in some ways. So you need to be really careful guys. Or maybe this person you love, they are not having that honest intentions towards you or towards this love. So you need to be really careful. And maybe for some of you, you may have or you are getting that clarity today guys about your situation. So you may get that knowledge you need and the clarity of what they think or what they feel about this love or about this connection today guys. So till now you were having some image about this person, but today all that is beginning to take shape. Maybe you're seeing the reality of this person. So whatever they were hiding or whatever mask they were showing you, all that is going to clear up today and the truth is being revealed to you, or you're finding out the truth today and your illusions are just disappearing today guys Pisces. So that is what I see with these cards guys. So let's see what are the cards specific to your relationship. So we have the completed world in reverse, 7 of spheres in reverse and 6 of spheres. So with these cards in your relationship guys, in this love, just like we saw with the previous cards, whatever ideas or dreams you had about this love, about this connection, all that is leaving you. So your dreams are just disappeared overnight. So You may feel really stressed or sad because of that, guys. Maybe this person is showing the true colors to you today. And also, there are huge changes happening in this love. This has come as a huge shock to you. Maybe you never expected this to happen in this love, in this connection, guys. And you feel really foolish because you were thinking so much about them, you were dreaming so much about them, but the way they are, after you see the true colors of this person, you are simply stressed and worried, Pisces. So that is what I see for your relationship, guys. So though these cards are pointing out something negative, very negative, guys, for your relationship, you need not worry. The card here, this is a very positive card, guys. So maybe you were expecting this for quite some time now. Maybe you were expecting something drastic to come about in your situation, and it has happened today, and you are going to bounce back towards something positive in your life. You have that clarity about your situation, and you are going to realize that this love may not work out for you, and there are better things waiting for you in life, guys, Pisces. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation. We have picked 3 cards. So we have Devil in reverse, Hierophant, and 9 of Moons. So with these cards for your career situation, guys. In your maybe you are feeling optimistic, certain things are clear for you in your career, and you are working with people in your situation. You are trying to make things better for you and for them. So you are working together, and you are a great inspiration to the people you work, or you are feeling inspired by someone in your work situation, and things are going in a positive way in your work situation, guys, in your career. So you can be happy for that. You are going to get success in life in your work situation, and your problems, whatever it is going to resolve, guys, and you are going to be successful, victorious in your career situation, Pisces. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.